Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Cultrotech Sirius here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content, because this is a very cool one that my buddy Jamie sent in to review. And the overall length of this guy is going to be 7.8 inches with a 3.2 kinda, let's say. Overall, like, let's say cutting edge is 3.2 inches with an handle length of 4.3 inches. This is a very cool one. There's a lot of things going on right over here. It's a titanium liner lock. Guys, I mean, there's a lot of details going on in this one. I'm telling you, titanium scales. You've got, I think this is a green fat carbon with inlaid in the titanium with some titanium overlays. Like, guys, just ridiculous. Beautiful hardware going on. Nicely jimped blade. Look at this. I mean, look at this detail here. This guy is running on washers. The jimping here is just beautiful. Nicely polished blade. It's like a stone polished kind of finish. Full belly. Very stabby. Absolutely thin behind the edge like crazy. Yan hook, heat treatment, deep carry pocket clip with the Cultrotech shield logo right in there. How cool is that? Beautiful. Really cool. Of course, semi-floating titanium 3D milled back spacer. You've got also like a sharp, kind of like a finger choil right over here. Guys, would you look at just at the detail of this, the area where you disengage the lock bar? Look at this. Like, it's crazily beautiful. Washers action, the sound. It's a clacky, steampunk, mechanical, beautiful sound. The grip is really comfortable in the hand, nice and chubby, super slicer. I mean, really cool one for sure. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.